Hi everyone, with me today I have a 5-piece suitcase set I found on Amazon. I'm a big traveler and I love traveling, so this suitcase set was perfect for me. So let's break down exactly what you're gonna get with this purchase. Let's start small and move on to the biggest. We first have a 7-inch little case. This is perfect to keep any last minute things, and me as a content creator love keeping my cameras and my cables here nice and safe. It also has a zipper all the way around and a strap so you can wear it like a bag. Moving on up to size, we have the 14-inch one. This one's great because it has a strap in the back, so it attaches to your suitcase handle and you can take it with you wherever you're going. It also has a handle on the top, making it super portable and easy. It is small, but you can fit quite a couple things, and I like to use it for my makeup and skincare products. The smaller suitcase is the carry-on, measuring 20 inches. It has 35 liters of capacity and is great to store 1 to 4 days worth of clothes for traveling. Moving on over here, we have the 24-inch suitcase. This one's good for 65 liters of capacity and awesome for 4 to 6 days of travel. And lastly, we have the biggest one. This is the 28-inch suitcase, 100-liter capacity and awesome for 6 to 9 days worth of traveling and clothes. Keep in mind that the 24 and 20-inch suitcase do expand. You get a third zipper all the way around and they expand up to 20% more, so their capacity is awesome, especially when traveling and you want to fit an extra bit of clothes. You can do so by expanding it and then you can collapse it once it's closed as well. They all have 360-degree wheels, carrying handles both on the top and the sides of them. The telescopic handle is awesome as well. It makes it opening it super easy. It has a button here on the corner and you just pull that on up. It also has anti-crash corners. As you can see, they're nice and golden, which I think adds such a cute detail, and you can get the set both in white and in black. Now overall, these 3 suitcases have a whole 200-liter capacity overall, but let's take a look at the inside as well. Here is the inside of the 24-inch suitcase. As you can see, you get a zipper with the mesh. You also get the adjustable strap to keep all your clothes held down, and it is made out of nylon material as well. Last but not least, we also have the golden zippers to match on the sides, and you can even have the TSA lock if you wish. You can even program your own code so you know you're traveling, no one can access your suitcases. I definitely think this is the perfect suitcase set for me, and I absolutely adore it. You can check this out on Amazon.